Whether you own one rental property or 20, you've definitely felt the friction. A lease that needs updating, a maintenance request that came in at 10 p.m., a tenant who says they paid their rent, but you can't find the record. Most independent landlords are managing all of this with a patchwork of spreadsheets, emails, and tools that weren't designed for rental properties. In this video, we'll cover what to look for in property management software that's built for independent landlords. And we'll spotlight one of the best options on the market, TurboTenant. This episode is sponsored by TurboTenant, but as always, we're keeping things fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What matters in property management software for independent landlords? If you're an independent landlord, you don't need all the bells and whistles of an expensive enterprise property management platform. You'd be paying for features you'll never use and battling a learning curve that doesn't serve you. Instead, here are the core criteria that matter for DIY landlords evaluating software. Full rental lifecycle coverage. You shouldn't need 5 tools to run one rental. The right platform handles marketing, applications, screening, lease signing, rent collection, maintenance tracking, and accounting in one place. Fragmentation is where things fall through the cracks. Tenant screening that's fast and costs you nothing. Credit, criminal, background, and eviction history should be returnable in minutes, not days. And the cost should pass to the applicant, not you. That's a standard worth holding platforms to. State-specific, legally reviewed leases. A non-compliant lease is a liability. Landlord-tenant law varies significantly by state and changes frequently. Your software should maintain lease templates that are reviewed by legal professionals and kept current, so you're not the one tracking legislative updates in different states. It should also include e-signature, which is a plus because DocuSign can get expensive and online signatures are easier for you and your tenants. Automated rent collection. If you're still texting tenants about rent on the 5th of the month, the tool isn't working hard enough. You need autopay, automatic reminders, customizable late fees, and digital receipts to remove you from manual follow-ups. In other words, let software be the bad guy instead. Mobile first. You're not managing rentals from a desk. You need an app that lets you respond to maintenance requests, review applications, and talk to tenants on the go. When tenants can leverage a mobile app too, it's easier for them to pay rent, sign leases, and complete applications so you're not stuck waiting on them. With those in mind, let's take a look at one of the best property management platforms in 2026. Spotlight on TurboTenant, built for independent landlords. TurboTenant is an all-in-one property management software built for independent landlords and real estate investors, not enterprise property management companies. It covers the full rent lifecycle, and its core plan is free, which removes the financial barrier that keeps a lot of landlords on spreadsheets longer than they should be. Here are a few areas where TurboTenant stands out in 2026. One listing, dozens of sites. Build a single listing and TurboTenant distributes it to major rental platforms, apartments.com, Redfin, rent.com, and more in one click. Leads and inquiries come back into a single dashboard and showing scheduling and pre-screeners are built in. Screening at no cost to you. Credit, background, and eviction reports are generated through RentButter, searching over 200 million criminal records. Results come back in minutes. The cost passes to the applicant and the landlord pays nothing. All you need is a tenant's phone number or email to send the report, so you don't have to handle sensitive information like SSN. State-specific leases, legally maintained. TurboTenant's lease templates are reviewed by legal teams and kept current with state and local law. E-sign from anywhere. Addendums are customizable and can be added at any time. And it's easy for both you and the tenant to reference the lease from desktop or the mobile app. Rent collection on autopilot. Tenants set up autopay and TurboTenant sends reminders, applies late fees that you preset, and issues digital receipts. Rent receipts are legally required in 18 states, and TurboTenant handles them effortlessly. Maintenance tracking with a paper trail. Tenants can submit maintenance requests through their portal. You get notified, respond, and track every job. All interactions are logged, which matters when disputes arise. Accounting built in. The platform's accounting feature syncs rent payments and expenses automatically, tracks depreciation, and generates Schedule E reports at tax time. Connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and create rules so you don't have to do any guesswork. In summary, TurboTenant serves more than 1 million landlords and is a strong fit for independent landlords managing residential rentals of any portfolio size. To get started for free or contact them for more info, follow the links in the description. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!